Throughout human history, people have bartered or traded for things they needed. Mesopotamian tribes traded for weapons, while the Romans traded for salt. The Silk Road allowed for goods like fur, spices, and gems to travel between the East and the West. These exchanges were happening all over the world. Objects that were small and hard to break, like cowrie shells or gold nuggets, helped to make transactions easier, so they started being used as currency. Money slowly became a placeholder for value. Over the years, it's taken on many forms, from coins to leather to paper. Of course, in order for people to want to use it, the currency had to be trusted or issued by an institution that was. This could be a trade guild, a bank, or a government. Otherwise, it would just be worthless. People didn't just spend money on goods either. To this day, whatever holds value is worth money. Workers are paid for their time and skills. People pay for access or for entertainment. More recently, money is becoming something we often don't physically see or even hold in our hand. The world of payments and banking has largely gone digital. New types of currency continue to pop up, like cryptocurrency. In this new, evolving world of digital money, many people are willing to take risks. There are new markets to invest in, where we use money to make more money. Others hold on to their hard-earned cash and worry about what the future might bring. But why are people's attitudes about money so different? Maybe you know what it's like to struggle and not have enough money. Or maybe you've seen family members fight over larger amounts of it. These types of experiences shape who we are and how we feel about money in general. But we shouldn't let our emotional connections get in the way of our understanding. So the more you learn about money, regardless of your circumstances, the more you'll understand how to use it in order to live a better life, whatever that may look like.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.